Good day, everybody. Just getting some stuff done here. Taking the right front end all apart. Changing the ball joint. I'm waiting on FedEx. They were supposed to be here. Don't know. I got a ton of parts. I was going to do an open box thing with all the parts, but I don't know if you guys are interested in that. But here, I'll show you what I got going on right now. Okay, I got this all taken apart. Pulled the backing plate off because I want to, clean everything up and paint it so it's nice and fresh. Pop the ball joint off, and here's all my old crap. The car was sitting so long, the pad came off the shoe, which don't matter. I got all new stuff anyhow, new inner and outer bearings, brakes, wheel cylinders. But the drums seem okay, this one so far. I'm going to have to wire wheel clean it up and paint it, but I'm going to have it cut first, just a fresh cut. Don't look bad, but, nice fresh clean cut, because everything will be new. But took the backing plate off and wire wheeled the crap out of it and painted it on both sides. Not real good film there, but that way everything's nice and clean. I'm gonna put the new ball joint on here and wait on the FedEx guy for my parts. But yep, cleaning everything up the proper way so it's nice and neat when it goes back together. Okay, so backing plate's mounted. Here's a picture of it. And wheel cylinders new spring kits, new brake shoes. Always clean up your bolts, remember that. It's neater and the threads are nice and clean. And my packages are screwed up, but anti-seize all your threads all the time. Take these adjusters out completely. I took them out, wire wheeled, cleaned them up real good, and put anti-seize on them. Take the notch shell out and take the adjuster out. And I'm trying to hold the phone with 2 fingers. And clean the threads up real good. Clean this out inside. I took a little wire brush and got inside there and cleaned it up and anti-seized it so these spin nice and smooth. Now on your adjusters, you should have these little clips, and it keeps this from turning backwards and de-adjusting. Take a hammer and tap them here easily and they'll tighten up against there. I hope you can see that. Let me move the light down here. But make sure you tighten them up against the adjusters, because if not, they'll de-adjust, so to speak. But that's all cleaned up. Cameras everywhere today. Got my new ball joint mounted. I gotta tighten it up yet. And basically, this side's done. I gotta get the drum cut. It don't need cut, but it does need cut just to clean it up. So, coming along. One thing I wanted to bring up, I'm on the driver's side. Get ready to pull this apart. I gotta pull the ball joint on this side too. Your nut that holds the drum on the driver's side turns counterclockwise to come off. I'm sure that most of you know that, but just in case you don't, that's a 6 millimeter Allen head. Loosen that up. I have a set of Allen head sockets. But that's 6 millimeter. If you turn it clockwise, it's going to tighten. I'm sorry, counterclockwise is tighten. It's the opposite. I know everybody's used to righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. On the passenger side, it is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. On the driver's side, righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. It's the opposite. You can see I'm turning it, boom, there it is. So, just a little reminder there for people that don't know that, although I'm sure most of you do, so. Okay, so today's video wasn't very long. Got a little aggravated towards the end of working because J-Bugs, mileage unknown, are you watching this? I ordered on the 29th or the 30th, and the delivery date was today. I already had brakes, brake spring kits, wheel cylinders, stuff like that, so that's why I got the front brake system done. And the brake line kit's already put on, but I was waiting on my other ball joint. my energy suspension kit for all the bushings in the front end, and just a bunch of stuff all for the front end. The bushing for the idler arm, everything, and it never made it. I went on, and the whole delivery thing is kind of ass backwards now, and like it never existed, but it does exist. I have no idea what they're doing, but I can't get a hold of anybody there now. Probably not till Monday. So I had to stop working today. Wasn't real happy about that because I wanted to finish the whole front end up by tomorrow. I did wire wheel down the whole underneath of the frame, had everything underneath. The front is done and painted all up inside. It's complete. So I got as much done as I could with what parts I had. So I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year's. I just wanted to chime in with a short video today. It is very short. I didn't film putting the brake shoes on because I really believe probably 99% of you know how to do that and nobody's going to watch it. So, okay. Happy holiday season. I hope everybody's 2020 is starting out amazing. Just think in a positive way that it's going to be a good year. And if you do, it will be. I'll talk to you soon.